Hello everyone, it is Jason here and Georgia over there, and it's time for another Cuckoo bird review. We haven't done one since last Easter, right?
Yeah.
It's been a long time, she reminded me, so we thought it would be fitting to come back and review some more jelly beans. And this time, what do we have?
We have Jolly Rancher jelly beans.
And what flavors do we have to try?
We have strawberry, orange, watermelon, grape, blue raspberry, and green apple.
That sounds good. Now, do you like regular Jolly Ranchers?
Yeah.
What is your favorite flavor of the regular Jolly Ranchers?
The blue.
Blue raspberry?
Yeah.
Those are good. I like the watermelon. I think those are my favorite.
You always had Jolly Ranchers at your work.
I did. So we get to try watermelon and blue raspberry and compare if those flavors taste the same as Jolly Rancher.
Yeah, we've never eaten this actually.
Yeah, this is the first time we're trying this. So from the Jolly Ranchers, from Hershey Company, we're going to dump them out.
I just read how many calories, and it says it has 100 calories.
100 calories for about 13.
Oh,
is your serving. Whoa. We found a gem.
Look at this. This is what they're supposed to look like, and this is what it is.
Yeah. So we got some extra ones there.
I'm eating this one.
Okay, so
this one looks like a banana.
let's get one of each flavor. So there's the purple. Get one of orange, the red, pink, and green and blue. So there's 6 flavors, right?
1, 2, 3, 5.
All right, so let's show them.
I have 5.
What are you missing? You're missing the purple. So there we go. There's the different flavors.
I have the big
Green, blue,
I have the humongous.
red, pink, orange, purple.
I have a weird orange.
6 different flavors. All right, so which one do you want to try first?
How about we do the orange?
Orange first?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't like.
Kind of chewy.
Yeah, it's really hard, kind of to me.
A little bit more chewy than regular jelly beans.
Jolly Ranchers are always hard.
Orange is pretty good.
Yeah.
What now?
Red. I think it's still chew my orange.
Red is probably
Red is,
strawberry.
yeah, red is strawberry, or
Or it could, well, yeah.
Orange
Red is
or
strawberry and probably pink is watermelon.
no.
Strawberry.
Very.
I'm not getting really a Jolly Rancher flavor.
I got a little bit in there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That one wasn't quite as chewy.
That's a lot of sugar, and I got a lot of Jolly Rancher taste in my mouth.
Okay. Which one next?
Pink.
Watermelon. Okay.
Yeah. I think it's watermelon. Is that watermelon?
Now that tastes like watermelon Jolly Rancher. That is really good. I like that. Now what? 3 left.
Green. Well,
Green apple.
Yeah, but before we eat this, I want to say to them that if you hear something in the background, my brother Jameson is watching a movie.
Yeah, he's watching the new Halo series. So if you hear the Halo theme.
Sorry.
Wow. Very green apple.
Got sour in my mouth.
I am not a green apple fan in the least.
Gosh.
And that is
Last time we tried
very green apple.
One time the last time we tried green apple, and it was very, very, very sweet. This is like sour, sweet, and Jolly Rancher mixed together.
If you say so.
Yeah.
Grape. Try grape. That is very grapey grape.
It tastes like a grape. It feels like there's something else hiding in my mouth, but I think it's just a green apple.
Okay. Finally.
Ginormous.
Blue raspberry.
Ginormous. I still need to chew my grape. Have a mouth.
Yeah. I think those two flavors, the blue raspberry and the watermelon,
pretty good. And the cherry.
very good for the Jolly Rancher taste.
The cherry, I'm being going crazy.
Strawberry.
Strawberry. To me, it tastes, the strawberry tastes.
You haven't tried it.
I need a Jolly Pepper.
Why don't you do a small one so you're not going to have that big gob in your mouth?
No. It's like 3 of them combined.
And then I get this one.
Wow, that's like a giant. Yeah, that's a lot of Jolly Rancher.
You want to try to mix any flavors?
How about we try watermelon and let's try watermelon and strawberry.
Watermelon and strawberry?
You still need to chew this thing. Ginormous.
Watermelon and strawberry. I'll take your word for it. There we go. I like to mix flavors. That worked pretty good.
Yeah, I mean.
So, out of all the ones we tried, which one is your favorite? Blue raspberry? I had a feeling. And I'm going to stick with my watermelon. It's
Do you know
my
why
favorite.
I liked it? Because when me and Mom went to McDonald's, we got a blue raspberry icing. I really liked that. And there's blue behind us.
Oh, yeah, there is some blue behind us.
And right
Blue
here.
all around.
Right here. Ah!
All right, what was your least favorite?
Green apple.
Yeah,
Sour.
not a fan of the green apple.
Now I feel like we should do green apple and grape.
No.
I'm trying that.
No. All right, well, let's
I'm going to try green
go
apple.
ahead. You try it. Be dangerous.
I'm crazy.
Maybe a strawberry and grape. It's not really, these flavors don't really mix well. They're kind of their own unique flavors.
Well, I did like the watermelon and strawberry.
How'd that go? The green apple and
The
grape.
green apple just kind of, the green apple taste just like conformed, like it was over the grape. And I was like, that grape is not even
Formed
in
over
my
the
mouth.
grape. You are a cuckoo bird. Okay,
That's why I say kick a back for you. Crazy.
go try them. Jolly Rancher jelly beans for Easter. Happy Easter to everybody. And we'll have to keep doing this a little bit more frequently.
Yeah, maybe we should do more Halloween stuff because we did candy corn, but we didn't film one.
That's right. Well, when Halloween comes around, we'll do some Halloween stuff too.
Maybe there's Christmas candy like that.
And Christmas, we could do.
We got the Rudolph candy in our stocking. Maybe you can find it at the store again, and maybe we can try that.
Yeah.
We've already tried it, but I didn't really like it that much.
All right.
I'm
Well,
eating
let's
that
say goodbye for now.
Mine.
For
I'm gonna
Cuckoo Bird Reviews.
I'm gonna try blue raspberry and strawberry and watermelon.
Okay. Can we say
Look
goodbye?
how tiny this is.
Got a tiny one?
Yeah.
All right. We're going to say goodbye for now?
Yeah.
All right. Goodbye, everybody.